Yo, what's up guys? This is Aaron from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to show you how to do more push-ups. So first of all, push-ups are a great exercise for your chest, for your triceps, for your shoulders, and depending on how you do it, you can target different muscle groups. So first of all, if you want to be really good at one way, you got to practice that same way a lot. So first of all, if you want to hit the triceps, you're going to do triceps, and this is still going to hit the chest. You're going to just go like this. Just nice. Just. And if you want to hit the chest more, you can pretend like you're trying to bring your arms in, your hands in while you're doing it, like this, and then just activate the chest a ton. Okay, so you can do those. You can, so bring your hands in, just force your hands in, and then activate the chest a lot. Or you can do them inside like this for triceps more. So those are the two ways we'll go over. But if you want to get really good at push-ups without getting tired, just do the same push-ups. So I'm going to do this way. So I like the triceps. Want to get the massive arms. So another way is to warm up. All right, you never want to just go into push-ups just cold, because what that's going to do, if you warm up properly, you're going to be able to do a lot more push-ups. So I recommend to warm up like this. Warm up your chest, stretch your chest, stretch your chest right here. Stretch your triceps. Just pull your arm like this, and just warm up a little bit, and then just do some knee push-ups. Don't be afraid to do some knee push-ups for warm up. Okay? So warm up, do the same style push-ups, and just practice. Don't be afraid. Figure out. You can do like push-ups every day or 3 days a week. I recommend maybe 3 to 4 days a week, and just do them as much as you can. But make sure you take rest days though. You don't want to just like do them all the time. Never take rest days. So yeah, guys, that's how to do more push-ups without getting tired. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later.